Hi guys, welcome to Only Match 12 Point. Today in this video, we are going to continue word sums. So in the previous videos, we discussed only two word sums. So we'll continue with the same guys. Let's start. So page number 87, example 4. So in a garden, there are some bees and flowers. If one bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left out. If two bees sits on each flower, one flower will be left out. Find the number of bees and number of flowers. Find the number of bees and number of flowers. So here the unknowns are bees and flowers guys. Let the bees be x, flowers be y. Okay, according to the sum. So what is given in the question? Converting into equation form. One bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left out. B we take it as x and one flower y and one will be left out. So x equal to y plus 1. That is equation 1. Second one. Two bees sits on each flower, then one flower will be left out. Two bees. Okay. X equal to 2 into y minus 1. That is equation 2 guys. Okay. Solving 1 and 2, we get x equal to 4 and y equal to 3 guys. X equal to 4, y equal to 3. Therefore, there are 4 bees and 3 flowers. Okay. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.